The issue of the controller not working can be a frustrating experience for players who prefer the convenience and precision of using a controller for gaming. Diablo 4, being an action role-playing game, requires smooth and responsive controls to fully enjoy the gameplay experience. However, there are several potential reasons why a controller might not work as intended in Diablo 4. Number 1. Controller compatibility. It is crucial to ensure that the controller being used is compatible with Diablo 4. Different controllers have different compatibility levels with various games. Diablo 4 might have specific requirements or limitations regarding controller support. Checking the game's official documentation or forums can provide valuable insights into supported controllers. Number 2. Driver issues. Outdated or incorrect controller drivers can cause compatibility problems with It is essential to ensure that the controller's drivers are up to date and installed correctly. Updating the drivers can often resolve issues with controller recognition or responsiveness. Number 3. Controller configuration. In some cases, the controller may not work due to incorrect or conflicting configuration settings within the game. Checking the in-game settings and making sure that the controller is properly selected and configured as the input device can help resolve the issue. Number 4. Software conflicts. Sometimes, conflicts with other software or background processes can interfere with the controller's functionality in temporarily disabling or closing any unnecessary software or overlays such as Discord, Steam, or third-party controller management tools may help troubleshoot the problem. Number 5. Game updates and patches. It is possible that the controller not working issue is a known bug or problem that the game developers are aware of. Checking for game updates, patches, or hotfixes can help resolve such issues as the developers actively work to address them. If none of the steps resolves the problem, reach out to the game's official support channel or seeking assistance from the community forums can provide further guidance and potential solutions. Remember, the developers of 4 are continuously working to enhance the gaming experience, and addressing controller-related issues is likely a priority for them. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.